everyone, I'm Miss Phonics and today we're going to learn a new sound. Are you ready? Let's get started. Today we're going to be learning the A sound. Now the letter A normally makes an A sound, but it can also make an A sound. Just like the letters A and I make an A sound, the letters together A and Y make an A sound, and A split E makes an A sound. A, 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 A. But today we're going to be learning this A sound. Now when I do this, it's my turn. And when I do this, I want to hear you joining in. A, A, A. Excellent. Now we're going to have a little look in my magic box and see what we can find that uses the A sound. Let's have a look. Oh, I found a baby. Can you hear the A sound in baby? Baby. Baby. Excellent. Let's see what else we can find that uses the A sound. Oh, what's this? I know, I found an apron. Can you hear the A sound at the beginning of apron? Apron. Apron. Excellent. Let's see what else we can find that uses the A sound. Oh, yummy. I've found some bacon. Can you hear the A sound in bacon? Bacon. Bacon. Excellent. So bacon, apron and baby all use the A sound. Now we're going to have a go at writing the A sound. To write the A sound, we need to write the letter A. And to do that, we start at the top, we go all the way around and down. Now I want you joining in, so let's get those magic fingers ready. Give them a big shake and a wiggle. Give your shoulders a big roll so you're ready. You can use one hand as a magic piece of paper and your other hand to write on it. Are we ready? Magic fingers. And start at the top, all the way around and down. Well done. Let's do it again. Magic fingers. Start at the top, all the way around and down. Well done. Now we're going to have a go at reading some words that use the A sound. Our first word today is acorn. My turn first. A, k, or, n. Acorn. Your turn. Acorn. My turn again. A, k, or, n. Acorn. Your turn. Acorn. Excellent. Our next word today is lady. My turn first. O, A, D, E. Lady. Your turn. Lady. My turn again. O, A, D, E. Lady. Your turn. Lady. Well done. And our last word for today is table. My turn first. T, A, B, O. Table. Your turn. Table. My turn again. T, A, B, O. Table. Your turn. table. Well done. You've worked really hard today and should be feeling so proud of yourself. I can't wait to see you again soon. Bye.